What's going on? It's the Green Dot Whisperer. You know we had to come back again. All right, guys. You know why we're here. I mean, what was the last three videos again? You want me to remind you? Algo, Algo, Algo. Now, what you think? I wasn't gonna do the Algo cheer just because we're in a little bear trend. No, guys. All right. Do not panic. This is not the time to panic, ladies and gentlemen. All right. This is when we get to see who are just the speculators and who knows why they're holding for a real reason and who knows what Algo's truly about. Because there's a lot of speculators in this market right now that are throwing thousands of dollars just to see it gain a whole bunch of money in a short time. But like I said, I got a whole year picture of this. But so yeah, last video was Algorand hit my $1.22 target. What will happen next? We're seeing it right now. This is what happened next after that video, basically. Right now, we are in a 30-minute chart. And we are dipping. We are dipping. Let's see where we were, though. Let's go onto a higher time frame, 4 hour. Because we need to go back and see what happened since the last video that I made 5 days ago. So over here, this was around February 10th. This was a nice buy-in area. This is when I rebought back in. This is when we broke $1. Then I was asked on one of my YouTube comments, hey, what would be a good loading up price? And I said, I already did when it dipped below $1. And so, but when it dipped below $1, then we proceeded to run up all the way to this was our high right here. And I had previously on the last video called out a high target of $1.66. If you saw the last video, I'll leave a link on the screen so you could click on that. You know what I mean? I don't know which one. Here, one of these sides is going to click up. But so you see, we got $1.86. All right. So we broke our high target of $1.66. Very well high up there. That ran up. I wasn't too sure if we was going to see that high of a number yet. I thought we was going to actually dip down at 166. So we got more than we wanted. But now, as you could clearly see, we are on a downtrend, a bear trend. We are in bearish territory. Once you cross down below the histogram on the MACD, that is bearish. Look at this RSI. It's nearing 39. It's nearing down the oversold level. Even look at this wave oscillator on the 4 hour. This is when we got the red dot right here. Very good red dot on the wave oscillator created by Madhu. Thank you, Madhu, whoever you are. So, I mean, come on, look at that. Red dot, perfect. And that was right on the dot, right at the beginning of the downtrend. So if you have this indicator on your computer, on your trading view, that would have saved you a whole lot of headache because that was perfect. That was a perfect signal right there. So it's usually not even that clean, but this one doesn't get better than that, guys. Those are the two dojis next to each other, and then it reversed. So, but you could see this. So we're trending up here. This is in bullish. Once you crack this SMA below and the VWAP crosses, then you're in bearish territory now. And now we are trending bearish because we're underneath the histogram, like I said. Now over here, we got some false signals already. You got faked out on the 4 hour one time, 2 times. Because when I see these little bottom green dots, I kind of expect it to crack back up. But sometimes it doesn't happen like that. And then now it's falling, falling, falling. Now, I don't panic because what I see here is nothing but great opportunities, you know. And yes, we are going to have a sell-off because bullish runs are not one just big, huge green candle that goes to the moon. No, it's not, guys. Like you know, in a bullish run, especially for a long term, for like a whole year, you're going to have your run-ups. And then it's either going to drop down or consolidate. And then we're going to keep running. So right now, we're dropping down. And then after the drop down, we might actually consolidate a bit. But after a drop down and a consolidation, guess what? We're right back to running. And this is a great opportunity for people that missed the wave, the first boat. You know what I mean? The first wave of profits. Because I ate this, paid a lot of bills for me, honestly. And I didn't get taken. I took profit and paid bills. You know, so when I saw that, it was because this is why. You see this? This started, they gave you the first sell signal over here, really pretty much on 11 February at 1500, guys. So for my overseas people, but that is 3 o'clock for my United States people. But so yeah, February 11th. And honestly, I took some money out to buy my girlfriend a Valentine's gift with the outrageous profits I made with crypto. So it was a great time to take profit. I took it at the perfect moment, guys. I mean, start learning a little bit about trading, and because these indicators really help you. I mean, it's very simple to follow these indicators. And I even have another video on how to put these indicators on your trading view. And I speak about why I use them. So I'll leave another link on that up here. So, all right. So we already set our top. All right. We saw the top. That's where we ran up to, which pretty much after this downtrend, we could use that as a resistant line. You know, that's what we're trying to break. And I think we're going to break that. We're going to see $2. So I'm not worried. Right here, day. This is why people are panicking, though, because yeah, we're gonna get a pullback, guys. We're showing red dots on the higher time frames now, which means it's gonna take a few days of little down draw. But hey, guys, I mean, if this thing, like I said on one of the comments, one of the comments on YouTube was, oh, I guess we're going back to $1.22. Very possible. $1.22 is a strong resistant line. Let me put the pivot point standards up here so you can see that. Boom. That's $1.16, third RSI. So we could definitely go down to $1.16 and go below. So if we go down to $1.16, great buying opportunity. We have to reevaluate at that time, at that support, to see if we broke below the support and if we're going further down, or to see if we're trying to bounce back up from that support line. So, but like I said, look at that fresh red dot on the 2-day chart. 2-day charts are extremely strong. As you can see on the green dot, that was an extreme run up. So it might be a nice little dip down. Let's see what it is if it goes down to the, ooh, guys. Hey, that's a buying opportunity. You know, in Chart Champions, our excellent investment community, you know, I'm going to leave a link below for you to join that, because there's a wealth of knowledge there. Investment community, if you join the group, you're going to gain so much out of it. Nothing but knowledge, nothing about a whole bunch of other profitable traders sharing their tips, tricks, and experience. So join it. It's a powerful group. But yeah, man, Crypto Cardi told me, hey guys, hey John, Green Dot Whisper, you might see Algo go below $1. You might see 90 cents again. And I was like, all right, cool, because I took profit out. I paid my bills, and you know, once I get my next paycheck, if it went down for me, then hallelujah, that's a gift. I could do it again, run it up again. You know, life doesn't hand you second chances so many times, but this is really handing us a second chance for everyone who didn't get into it. I mean, if it drops to 77 cents, that's a effing deal, man. A big deal. So keep glued to this, because I mean, 2-day fresh red dot, we might have some falling to do, but I will definitely be buying by the truckload if it goes under $1 again. Believe that. And that's all the time I want to give you here. I wanted to make this short, sweet, and simple for all my Algorand people. Do not panic. We will be making money. I do advise averaging down. I am not a CFA. Do your own research. You know, try to learn your own charts. Join Chart Champions. And side bit, you could buy crypto coins on Webull now, and Webull's still giving out 4 free stocks if you open up a account. So I'll leave a description of that below also. And yeah, guys, that's all I got for you today. Don't panic. This is great buying opportunities. Let's look for these bottoms, you know? So here, I'll give it to you straight and forward right now. $1.15, that's a support line. So we got to see what happens then. After that, we got to see what happens at 92 cents. Another support line. After that, this is when it gets juicy, 79 cents. And if we go below the SMA and go into real bearish territory on the day chart, 56 cents. And they say second chances don't come. Because if we get 56 cents, ooh, I'm pulling up the truck. We're going to start dumping money and loading it up. Ooh, this makes me happy. Other people panic when they see a downfall. I just start, rubbing my hands, say, ooh, let me get this. But enough talk. That's all I got for you. Stay blessed, stay safe, wear your mask, and make more money. Come